Building a house is one of the biggest investments most people will ever make. Yet many homeowners spend thousands of dollars fixing mistakes that could have been avoided before construction even started. In this video, I'll show you 7 costly house design mistakes that homeowners make and how you can avoid them. And make sure you stay until the end, because mistake number 7 is one that many people don't discover until it's far too late. Many people choose a house plan because it looks beautiful online, but a house that looks perfect in a picture may not work on your land. The slope of your site, your budget, local climate, and family needs all matter. A good house design isn't just attractive, it's functional. Before selecting a plan, ask, will this design fit my land? Will it fit my budget? Will it fit my lifestyle? Choose functionality first, appearance second. No two pieces of land are exactly the same. Some have poor drainage, some have weak soils, others may be vulnerable to flooding. A design that works perfectly on one site may create major problems on another. This is why site investigations are so important before construction begins. Always understand the land before designing the building. Many homeowners focus on room size but ignore room relationships. A house can have large rooms and still function poorly. Think about how people move through the home. How far is the kitchen from the dining area? Do private spaces have enough privacy? Does the layout support daily activities? Good design improves daily life. Design for how people live, not just how rooms look. Natural light affects comfort, mood, and energy use. Unfortunately, many homes are designed without considering sunlight. Rooms can become dark, uncomfortable, and dependent on artificial lighting. Good design uses window placement strategically. Use natural light as a design tool. A beautiful house that feels hot and uncomfortable is not a successful design. Proper ventilation helps remove heat and improve indoor comfort. Cross ventilation can significantly reduce dependence on air conditioning. Design with the climate, not against it. Many homeowners design only for today. But life changes. Families grow. Work habits change. Future expansion may become necessary. A flexible design saves money in the long run. Plan for the future, not just the present. This is one of the most expensive mistakes of all. Some homeowners rush into construction before finalizing drawings and details. Changes made during construction often cost significantly more. Every design decision should be resolved before work begins. The construction site is one of the most expensive places to make design decisions. Complete the design before construction starts. The goal of good house design isn't simply to create a beautiful building. It's to create a building that performs well, feels comfortable, and serves its occupants for many years. If you're planning to build a house, avoiding these 7 mistakes could save you thousands of dollars and countless headaches. Which of these mistakes do you think homeowners make most often? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical insights on architecture, construction, civil engineering, and renewable energy.